Hey guys, and welcome to my first of many BFA pet battle videos. Today, right now, we're sitting in front of Burly, who has the World Quest Strange Looking Dogs. He is in Guard Sound, kind of up here in the north. Um, yep, that's where he's at. And he's got basically an undead team. So I'm going to be taking Todd here, my lifelike mechanical toad, and Jubling, who is, I guess, one of my stronger frogs. Frogs are usually pretty good against undead teams. And then just rando level pet, I guess. I wasn't sure. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. I've never. This is literally gonna be my first battle against this guy. Um, yeah, let's see how it goes. The only thing I don't like about Toad is he's only got the one strong undead ability. I wish he had Swarm, but he doesn't, and that's okay. We made a frog. Oh shit, this is gonna hurt. Oh, so he feigns death and then dies anyway? That's pretty great. Oh wow. Oh ow. Oh ow. It's alright, we still have Jube. Still have Jube. This is one of my favorite guys on my aquatic team for the PvP battles. I'm actually gonna heal and let my swarm kill him. Oh, wow. He exploded on me. Ooh. You know what? He's probably... I know I need to swap that guy in. Howl! Yes. Excellent. It's a great place to swap in. Ow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Dang. That's okay. Might actually lose this one. Can I carry pet? Maybe? Maybe, hopefully. Defensives. Pop your coolies, yo. Excellent. Nice. Well, that was sloppy, but we did it. Until next time, good luck and happy hunting.